All right, guys. So I was on Facebook Marketplace, the things of all evil, and I found some 185S or 200S front shocks for, man, what the hell? For $125. Guy said he'd take 100, so I'm on my way down there. Now I'm on my car, and it's a big ass mud hole right here. Big ass mud holes that I'm about to go through. Jeez Louise. So let me give him a call real fast. Let me make sure I'm going down the right driveway, and I will give y'all back, because this is some boo. Man, what the fuck, man? Look at this shit. Oh. Jesus Christ.